How to manage views on alcohol on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click on your profile here in the top corner and then click these 3 points and click edit profile, and once you're here scroll down and click bleeps, and here we'll find views on alcohol. Click on it and now select anything you want here, and after that just save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.